Hey, what's up you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Tisia and you're tuned into BIO with Thysiamore. Thank you guys for 100 subscribers. Today we're going to be talking about some DIY cheerful body home recipes for the summer. Now I know you've been wondering a lot of things to do for summer for your skin to keep popping and keep glowing. Well then, this is the video for you. Without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. First on our list is pedicure foot soak. This can be done at home without going to the spa and is pretty affordable and easy to do. It helps to reduce stress level, helps to detox our body, and overall helps to keep our feet looking nice for summer. So we're going to need about 2 cups of warm milk, 2 tablespoons of sweet almond oil, about 3 to 4 drops of essential oil. Any essential oil of your choice will do the job. And we're going to mix all these ingredients into a bowl of about 2 inches of water or boil it together. The lactic acid in milk will help break down dead skin cells and soften the skin. The almond oil is an essential moisturizer and lubricant which helps the skin from drying out and keeps it great. Now, essential oils have different benefits depending on the particular essential oil you're using, but everything has its own benefit, which is great overall for our body. So you guys should hop on this pedicure foot soak. So number 2 for our DIY cheap body home recipe / spa is some exfoliating. Now you guys know exfoliating is very great for the skin and you cannot skip that step no matter what. And for this cheap home body exfoliant, we're going to need about half a cup of baking soda. We're going to need some coarse salt, or you can lay your hands on some epsom salt, which is great for the skin. We're going to need about a tablespoon of olive oil or any sweet oil of your choice, and we're going to need about 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Now after mixing all ingredients together, you want to stand in the bath or in the shower, and on a dry skin you want to scrub all ingredients all over your body. Be sure to be gentle on your face. You can just go ahead with the baking soda without the coarse salt. Twice a week is usually good for exfoliating your skin. Afterwards, just pat dry and be sure not to wipe off the oil. This is what will moisturize your skin. You can add essential oils to it. If you're doing this in the morning, peppermint oil is a good stimulant, and if you're doing this at night, lavender oil will be a great choice. Get yourself a little green avocado mask, honey. Now I don't know any DIY skin routine or home spa that is complete without some avocado slammed on your face looking like a snack. Now for this recipe, we're going to need 1 ripe avocado. We're going to need 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Mash up the avocado and lemon juice together and apply it on your face and your neck. Let it sit for 20 minutes. Rinse with cool water and then begin to pat dry. This mask is so hydrating and it tastes good. If you have the inclination to eat it, go ahead and swap some avocado and lemon into your mouth. A little aspirin goes a long way. Now I know you're thinking aspirin is for pain relief and fever reducer. Why do I need aspirin on my face? Let me tell you, honey, aspirin can be used as a mask if you are having some breakouts. Aspirin contains salicylic acid, which is very good for acne. All you need is 3 uncoated aspirin and 1 tablespoon of honey. And also you need some water to mix everything together. Make sure to put in some aspirin in a little dish, then put in few drops of water on each, wait for a few minutes and crush them up. Honey absorbs the impurities from the pores and makes our skin really soft. You can moisturize afterwards using some organic coconut oil. Now let's take a little trip to Egypt with this beautiful soothing milk bath. Get some candles, turn down the lights and get indulged. For this bath, we're going to need 2 cups of heavy cream. We're going to need 2 tablespoons of organic honey. We're going to need about 5 drops of ylang essential oil. going to need about 5 drops of sandalwood essential oil, and we're going to need about 5 drops of jasmine essential oil. Mix honey and milk and mix it very well. Then add essential oils and mix all this into your bath. Soak yourself deep into this bath for the next 1 hour and feel the soothing relief of this bath. Now remember guys, in this summer you don't need to break the bank to look beautiful and have a glowing skin. On this channel I got you covered on DIY, cheap, affordable and easy skincare routine for any weather. Be sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss it when I put out any video. Hit the like button, comment in the comment section if this video helped you, and share this video to your family and friends. I will see you in my next video. Tell me what you'd like to see in the next video in the comments. Goodbye. My name is Thysiamore and I'm the creative director of